So the concept of blending between two values is called linear interpolation, or Lerp for short. You can see an example right now on the screen. So our variable is a percentage, which I call t, and it's very important to notice that as t approaches to 1, the bar is getting longer and vice versa. So the formula works pretty simple. We have p0, which is our start, and from that starting point we're adding p1 minus p0 multiplied by t, and p1 minus p0 is basically the direction and at the same time the distance between those two. So it will be much easier if you view this in vector form, and we're multiplying this direction by t, so we're shortening it. So to make things more clear, I will give you an example of distance between two numbers. So let's say the distance between 10 and 50 is 40, distance between 3 and 8 is 5, and I think you've got the idea. The distance is basically the subtraction of those two numbers, and we're getting the absolute value of that. So let's say direction between 6 and 8 is positive 1, direction between 2 and 3 is positive 1, and the direction between 8 and 5 is negative 1. So it's basically the sign of the distance. When it comes to game development, at least, this Lerp stuff is basically everywhere, because it is the foundation to Bezier curves, and Bezier curves are used to create a lot of stuff like easing stars, path, and etc. Where this Lerp stuff by itself, it is used a lot when you're dealing with game loops and you have to calculate every single frame, I don't know, a property of an object, its position, its rotation, whatever, and you can also use it for doing math stuff. Remember that linear interpolation essentially at its core uses numbers, so you can use things that are composed out of numbers, like some color in RGB format or some vector, I don't know, and you can also modify them using lerping. So what I'm showing you right now on the screen also works if you're dealing with other stuff like position or orientation of an object. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this video. I really like this editing style, and I think I will make more videos like this in the future. I would like to hear your opinion on it, so if you want, comment down below. Also, you can comment ideas for videos or any questions that you have. I hope I can answer them. So thank you for watching.